I picked up this Evershop 10-inch ring light with the overhead phone mount, and it's been a really useful setup for recording videos and taking top-down shots at my desk. It comes with a ring light, a sturdy stand, and an adjustable phone holder that can switch between regular filming angles and overhead views. The light itself has multiple brightness levels and color temperatures, so you can match the lighting to your room or to what you're recording. I like that it doesn't flicker on camera and that the controls are simple. Just press the buttons on the inline remote. The overhead arm is surprisingly stable, especially for filming crafts, unboxing videos, or anything that needs a top-down angle. It also works well for Zoom calls or live streams when you angle it forward instead of directly above. The setup is easy. Attach the stand, adjust the height, tighten the arm, and clip in your phone. Everything locks into place without wobbling. If you record content at your desk or need an overhead view for tutorials, this ring light and mount combo keeps everything in one spot and gives consistent lighting while you film.